So we have a square and an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all the sides are the same. And what do we know about these? Well, we know that the perimeter of the square is actually identical to the perimeter of the triangle. So what would the perimeter of the square be? It would be a minus 2 multiplied by 4. 4 lots of a minus 2 because it's a square. Okay, a minus 2 4 times equals the perimeter of the triangle would be 3 lots of a. So this is the same as a minus 2 plus a minus 2 plus a minus 2 plus a minus 2. It's the same as 4 lots of a minus 2. And 3a is the same as a plus a plus a. 3 lots of a is written as 3a. So let's expand our brackets here and see what we get. Well, and we know that these two are equal. So therefore we've got the equal sign because the perimeter of the square equals the perimeter of the rectangle. Let's expand our brackets and see what we get. 4 times a is 4a. Plus 4 times minus 2. Well, a plus times a minus would give us a minus. 4 times 2 would give us 8. Equals 3a. And what we've got here is we've got a's on the left-hand side and a's on the right-hand side. So what we need to do is first let's move the 8 over to the other side, which we can do quite easily by adding 8 to both sides of our equation. This will give us 4a equals 3a plus 8. We've now got the numbers on the other side of the equation to the a's, but we need to get the 3a over to the left. How do we do that? Well, using the same mechanism, we subtract 3a from the right-hand side here, and do the same thing here on the left-hand side. Why? Because 3a minus 3a gives me 0 here on the right, and 4a minus 3a will give me just 1a. So a equals 8. So now I know that a equals 8 centimeters. I can do a little check here that I've not done anything wrong. The perimeter of my equilateral triangle would be 8 times 3, which would be 24 centimeters. The perimeter of my square would be a minus 2, which would be 6 centimeters. 6 times 4, 6 centimeters is each side, and I've got 4 sides. 6 fours are also 24. So my perimeter would be 24 centimeters. So now I know the side of the squares. I can work out what the area of the square would be. The area of the square, now that I know that each side is 6 centimeters, would be 6 times 6 equals 36 centimeters squared. And I could work out the area of the triangle by measuring, because you guys haven't learned Pythagoras' law yet. When you're older next year, you'll know how to work out the area of a triangle by using Pythagoras' law to work out the vertical height, because you don't know that yet. But this question said you were allowed to calculate the area of the triangle by measuring instead.